Pranayam. Well, now we are discussing pranayam. This topic is also very nice, breath controlling. Without breath, we cannot live even for some time. We can live without food for some days, and without water also somehow we can survive just for 1 or 2 days maybe. But without prana or oxygen, in fact oxygen is quite heavier, but prana is still very subtle than the oxygen. So prana is still the more subtle element into human, which works for the well-being or the living of this body. Without it, it cannot survive even for a few minutes. So this practice pranayam is to balance and to systematize the breathing into a person. Normally, people breathe, they are somehow in a tense mood. They are very tense, and because of that tension, their flow of the breathing is disturbed. That is not quite natural as it should be, but it is not like that. And second problem which happens is that, and this problem especially happens with the bodybuilders, they start taking breath into the chest, but it is quite important for everybody to breathe into the stomach. In abdomen, the stomach pit, into it there is a point called tanden, and it throbs when breath goes very deep inside, and it gives a stroke into the abdomen, then special results come up. A small baby simply breathes into his stomach. When a baby is breathing, you can see that his belly comes up and goes down, not the chest. But when he slowly becomes older and older, because his energy is running outside, and he is disturbed from his very source, and that's why his breath becomes disturbed, and because of this disturbance he starts taking breath through his chest. His chest comes up or goes down, not the belly. Belly goes down or comes up little. So this systematization should be there, and there are two things: either do it somatically or bodily, or just simply be conscious about your thoughts and be witness, just be a witnesser of the thoughts. Do not fight with them. And in this way, when you are not disturbing your energy with the fight with the thoughts, then the energy gets a chance to stay free. And when it is free, then the energy is focused automatically onto its source, and in this manner, when it is focused on its source, the breathing starts to take place in its natural form. When a baby was born, in the same manner, the natural flow of the breathing takes place. But you have to be natural, and your tensions will go away. When you breathe into your stomach in place of the chest, you naturally become happy. It is so easy. Well, so pranayam is simply breath controlling in different ways. Some practices, exercises are there. All those are also just to make the body powerful, so much capable of taking pran or breath. Breath is just a conveyor of pran. Pran goes into the body by this conveyance. Okay, the work of transportation is done by the breath, but that what is transported through it is pran. Yes, thank you.